Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Faceit account in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, you won't find a delete button directly on Faceit, so you'll need to go through their support process. Open your browser and type support.faceit.com/hc/en-us in the search bar. Then press enter. This will take you to their support page where you can begin the account deletion process. On the support page, navigate to Account Management and then click on the GDPR deletion option. Next, click on the Submit a Request button and a form will appear on your screen. Fill out the form by entering some required details, including your email address, contact reason, Faceit profile URL or account name, game, region, subject, and a brief description of your request. Once you've filled in all the required information, go ahead and submit your request. After submission, you'll have 30 days to change your mind and reactivate your account if you decide not to go through with the deletion. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete your Faceit account. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.